Welding course. Introduction to the course. Welding is one of the most important skills in manufacturing, construction, engineering, and metal fabrication industries worldwide. From buildings and pipelines to vehicles and heavy machinery, welding plays a critical role in creating strong, safe, and durable structures. Understanding welding processes, safety practices, and fabrication techniques is essential for anyone looking to build a successful career in the engineering and industrial sectors. This course is designed to provide you with the fundamental knowledge and practical understanding needed to work confidently and safely in welding environments. Learning outcome. After completing this course, you should be able to understand welding principles, processes, tools, and industrial applications. Identify welding techniques, operations, and metal preparation methods safely. Recognize welding defects and apply quality control procedures. Interpret fabrication drawings, welding symbols, and joint classifications. Develop knowledge of welding fabrication practices in industry.